Hey guys, this is Trevor70 here. Today, I got a package from eBay. What's inside the box? We'll have to find out and see. It's a Ertl train shed. See? This set came with Ertl Thomas, Ertl Percy, and Ertl Diesel. Ertl Diesel looks like a Homebee Diesel, don't you think? I'm just gonna set it here along with Percy and Thomas. There's the Ertl train shed, so here's the front, side, the other side, the back, the top, the bottom. There's some free track pieces. Look. See? It goes in here, in here, in here. See? Let's get these free trains inside the train shed, shall we? There goes Diesel. There goes Thomas. There goes Percy. See? There's Percy, Thomas, and Diesel inside the red train shed. Don't you think? You know, I think I used the shed for Thomas, Percy, and Toby shed. So yeah. Well guys, that's it for the unboxing of Ertl train shed. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.